It starts with an idea, a desire to reach out, to lend a hand, to pick someone up on their worst day, to give them the resources they need, to find their way back to hope, to help them find the strength they need to rebuild, to come back stronger. We are more than 22,000 strong, stretched across 17 time zones, united by one singular idea: helping people before, during, and after disasters. This mission has guided us to all the places we have been, and it will stay with us, driving us toward the future. A future where storms come faster and more intense, where disasters cut wide swaths and affect multiple communities. But even as the future looms large, we will not forget the touchstone that continues to inspire us. For we are resolved to help people be more prepared, to help them rebuild, to help them grow more resilient, to empower them to stand strong and face whatever tomorrow holds. This is FEMA, and we will continue to serve.